Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, we're gonna turn off our device or access the boot options first. So pull down your notifications and then click on the power button right over here. And once you see the three options, you want to hold power off. This will then change into safe mode. Click on it once more, and this will initiate a reboot. And when the device boots back up, it automatically will be in safe mode. Now, safe mode is designed for troubleshooting your device and not really a day-to-day use. And the reason for that is, in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function and not even all of them. So you will see a bunch of applications that are disabled in this mode, and if you try to open them up, it will give you a pop-up letting you know that third-party applications are disabled in this mode. Let's give it a second. So it looks like I don't have any application that I can showcase this on because none of them are actually downloaded, but I'm pretty sure most of these applications that aren't downloaded wouldn't work. There is one actually that I can showcase that isn't going to work, which is the Facebook one. For some reason, it's a third-party application that got installed even though we never wanted it, at least I didn't, but yet it's on a phone without any kind of permission. But luckily, safe mode is disabling it, so if I try to open them up, as you can see, it tells me that app is disabled. Now that is due to the safe mode. And like I mentioned, it is designed for troubleshooting your device. If you don't have any kind of problem with it, there's no reason for you to boot into it. If you have some kind of application that is causing you problems, you can boot it into this mode and then get rid of it. And once you're done with this mode, find your little boot menu again and then select restart. Once the device boots back up again, it will automatically go back to normal mode and all your applications will start functioning normally as they would normally do. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.